Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have some announcements that were done by Pavan Davuluri, the new chief of the Windows team. And we have the upcoming Build conference where there's a lot of things that are announced there. Some have speculated that Windows 12 would be announced at this year's Build. But we kind of know, and even we talked about it here on the channel, that this year we don't think Windows 12 is going to be a thing. And so Microsoft, or Pavan Davuluri actually, confirmed that no, don't think about Windows 12. There's no Windows 12 for now. There will be at some point, but not now. And this is not the year, and we'll see. It could be next year, it could be the next. But for now, what he's actually talking about is much more profound, and he says there's going to be huge announcements. And I think one of them is going to be that we have NVIDIA that is preparing to have its first consumer CPUs available, all, of course, on ARM, and that these chips are extremely powerful. And I think this is maybe the push that Microsoft will be trying before Windows 12. See if they can increase the base of ARM-based PCs, new architecture, new things. He also said that there's a lot of things that are going to be done in Windows 11. We know that he's there, and he has talked about how he wants to fix Windows 11, make sure it works well. And we have already seen some changes and more to come. And I think this is going to be an interesting build conference to follow to see what direction Microsoft really wants to go. It seems to want to get away from the x86, x64 architecture as much as possible, and have maybe a new future in what will be ARM-based computers. Now, this is where it gets complicated. Having people change is a big thing, and we've seen in the latest stats that ARM-based PCs aren't selling really that much. So this is going to have to be a major change for people to adopt a new architecture. Of course, it will be compatible with, existing software, but interesting. We'll see what the announcements are going to be. Apparently, some big announcements there, and he did say that they are working hard and will continue working hard on Windows 11. So expect to have a lot of changes, a lot of new things happening within Windows 11. And the Build conference is definitely going to be an interesting one to watch, and the keynotes that are going to happen there. We already know that there's a new Surface laptop coming out from Microsoft that is based on the NVIDIA chips. So this is something to look forward to. And we'll see if, they can really change what Windows is all about. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.